Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking back in with oil to wrap up the week, and this is pretty much exactly what the bulls wanted to see on Friday and what we were looking for to happen. So we had a bounce off the $50 psychological support level. We approached the downtrend resistance line. We got one last rejection. We can see from the hourly downtrend, we had rejected from this line 1, 2, 3 times, confirms it. And then looking for a fourth rejection, bulls showed up, broke through that downtrend resistance line, broke above previous support, now resistance where that gap fill level was. And now they closed very strong near the high of the day. So they're looking to turn around this hourly time frame trend and to head back towards the upside. There's an uptrend line we can be looking at here where we had that higher low established. We can get rid of this downtrend line that was a very useful guide but has now been broken. And from here, the next resistance we're looking at, let's put a line on it. We're looking up here to this bounce attempt high, which was at 52.75. So that's the next clear resistance to be watching. And as long as the bulls progress with higher lows and higher highs, they're looking good on the hourly. And after the bullish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame, that hammer right off that $50 support, maintaining the higher low compared to 49.64, we confirm that candlestick and close near the high of the day. So we are looking back up towards recent highs, 54.48, still a ways away from that level, but this is exactly what the bulls want the daily chart to be doing, establishing support with higher low levels, maintaining control. So the weekly time frame does have a big upper wick on this candlestick and a big lower wick on the past 2 candlesticks. So the weekly time frame, again, just like last video I said, don't really like the weekly time frame to give clear direction at this point. I think the daily time frame is a lot better for that as we get more details with where these higher lows are. So we know that if we break $50 support, that's a clear break to favor the bears. We also need to be keeping an eye out for a potential head and shoulders pattern, but I don't really like to pay attention to those head and shoulders patterns until the right shoulder begins to pull back. So we're forming the right shoulder right now. If this were to be the case, it's doing a lot of assuming, but just worth keeping an eye out for. If we were to form a lower high here, notably rejecting around 52.39 where the left shoulder topped out, if we were to top out there and then pull back down towards 50, then we would be strongly considering this being a bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern, which would be confirmed with a break of $50. But as of right now, bulls still in full control and looking to break to higher highs and see this continuation. So thanks for tuning in. We'll check back in on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend. You can see the bulls fended off this bearish MACD cross that was very close. The bullish day today, evening those lines out a bit more parallel, and we'll see if continuation for the bulls on Monday trends that MACD back up. See you soon. Thanks for watching.